Today we're going to our seasonal site for the first time after we moved in. I have quite a few things to do before we head to the campground, but I want you to come with me. I have to go to Lancaster to pick up the kids. I have to go get some groceries, and then I'll drive back home so I can get together with Fawn, and then we can drive to the campground. We'll be arriving tonight, so we'll show you around probably tomorrow. Alright, let's drive. It has been raining really hard, and no surprise there was an accident. I'm waiting to see what happens, but while we wait, let me tell you that we are really excited about this seasonal. It's just so easy. Today it's raining and I am not stressing out about towing in the rain. We don't have to worry about packing anything because everything is there already. We don't have to replenish the refrigerator because it's already cool and all set. So far convenient, very convenient, and we like that. Now it looks like we're moving a little bit, so back to driving.
Use my voice to hide with the ghouls of night in the dying light. I'm losing control. My body, my soul are slowly fading away, but I'm ready now to feel the power of change. I'm my mother's child. I'm my father's son.
Hey everybody, good morning. What a wonderful time we are having here at the shore. We really like our new seasonal site, and we are having a wonderful time here. It's just so easy to just show up and everything is ready. Anyways, I wanted to take a minute to say thank you to all of you who gave us words of encouragement and support in our last video. Our goal is to become the best visual gallery of campgrounds and places to go camping around the East Coast, and we will continue to do that. We will continue to travel. We are going to slow down a little bit this year, but we'll continue to do it. That's our promise to you. And I also wanted to say thank you to all of you who commented in our last video saying it's okay, we won't unsubscribe, and giving us words of encouragement, and it means a lot to us. Thank you guys, thank you so much. I know that last week I promised you a tour of the site, but we still we want to do a few more changes to the site. We are trying to get it pretty comfortable, but we are trying not to get so comfortable that we don't want to leave, because we are hoping that next year we're gonna be on the road almost every weekend like we normally do. Anyways, just wanted to catch up with you about that. Thank you so much. I am right now getting a text from Chris, and I am apparently in trouble with Julie for last week video. Oh man, I don't know what I'm gonna do to make it up to you guys. Yeah, I don't know what to do. We don't have a plan for today, so let's just get the day started and see what little adventures we can find. So let's do it.
I could see through all the faces telling me to find my place, and I'm so close that I can taste it on my tongue. Tell the king he's overthrown, follow where the river's flown, underneath the water cold, all overcome. Never tired and never.
We found a baby turtle.
You know what?
Arlo, what did we find?
A baby turtle.
Can you show us?
Show us where it is. Cute.
I'm
Make sure to put it back by the hole again, because what if his family's in?
No, a crab's family is in that hole. A crab's family is.
Sun alive, once written off the road ahead is paved in gold. The history.
Look at what a good big sister. Okay, let go. Let go. Keep going, Arlo.
Breaking through the possible.
You look hot driving that truck. Where are you going?
I'm going to pick up more dudes.
More dudes.
Yeah,
You need more than one?
yeah.
I'm not enough.
There's a lot to share.
Okay, I guess.
Can you put the mirror out on this side there?
Why didn't you ask one of your dudes to do it for you?
You are my number one.
Oh my goodness.
Light it up like the sun. Light it up, light it up. Light it up, light it up like the sun.
So this is a game that has jelly beans, and the jelly beans, like, they look the same, but one is a good flavor and one is a horrible flavor.
Some of the flavors are
That's
Bad and good.
stink bug and toasted marshmallow, and they both look the same.
Yeah. So you don't know what you're gonna get. Are we ready?
We are ready. Okay, it's
$5.
mommy's turn.
You got his own $5 now.
Okay, mommy has either barf or peach.
Barf or peach. Does it smell good?
That's the one I got.
Oh, yeah!
I'm loving his reaction.
My turn.
Your face!
I feel like I'm gonna barf.
Ew, don't. Please don't. Please don't.
Okay, I have two options here. One is
I think that's
spoiled milk or
Okay.
coconut,
Okay.
and the other one is toothpaste or blueberry. No, none of those
Blueberry
sounds
Oh,
bad.
take the white one, because I don't even like coconut.
Like.
Okay, here we go. I go all in or nothing.
all in or
Just
nothing.
spit it out.
Coconut?
Is it good or bad?
You got a strong stomach, because you chew it for
Ah.
a while.
No! Coconut!
Was it spoiled milk?
I feel
Coconut!
like we were just getting that
Spoiled
one.
coconut.
You want that one? Okay, it's either blueberry or toothpaste.
Yeah.
That one's not bad. It's toothpaste.
No, it does. Toothpaste tastes good.
There's no if it's good or bad.
It's good? I look at a good
Tastes
one.
like a blueberry?
I look at a good one.
He likes it.
Yeah, he got a good one. Hey everybody, so we're having a pretty good Memorial Day night. It's Sunday, Memorial Day is tomorrow, but we are enjoying it today. It's a pretty quiet night. I have some chicken here in the coals, some onions. I'm drinking a good whiskey sour. Life is good. Life is real good. What did you guys do for Memorial Day? Let me know in the comments. I would like to know, how did you spend your Memorial Day weekend? I hope you went camping too. Alright guys, I'll check with you later.